What's going on, everyone? What up, what up, what up, guys? What's going on, investors? I mean, it's not my intention to make a live video today. To go live, but I have an amazing news that I would like to share with you guys before I go to bed, okay? So let me know if you can hear me in the comment section. What's going on, guys? It's an amazing day. It's a beautiful day. Today was very, very nice in terms of the stock market. What's going on, guys? Let me know if you can hear me. I'm just gonna wait a little bit, and we're going to see how many viewers we can have, how many concurrent viewers we can have, so that we can continue. I'm gonna wait a little bit. I'm going to continue if I have like at least 20 concurrent viewers, okay? Then I can continue. If not, I'm just gonna make a video and record this and drop it later for you guys, okay? What's going on, investors? Bionanians, what's up, guys? What's up, everyone? I'm just gonna wait a little bit more. What's up, ED? What's up, Majiro? Magic Arrow. That's a nice nickname. ED Benjamin, what's up? What's up, Kevin? What's going on, guys? How was your day? Let me know. How was your day? How was your day? I hope you guys saw some green in your portfolio today. Today was a good day in the stock market, right? We saw a lot of good stocks went higher today. I have some news I want to share with you guys, okay? So let me just wait a little bit if I can have more viewers so that I can continue. I can't make a video for seven viewers. It's very little. So I'm just gonna wait a little bit till I have at least 15-20 viewers, then we can continue. But in the meantime, we could, just chat a little bit. What did you guys do today? What's going on, Swag? What's up? What up, everyone? Let's wait a little bit. I haven't gone live for it's over a week now, I believe. The last time I went live was on Tuesday or so. Tuesday or last week Wednesday. So I went on holiday. I went to Poland, and something happened. So let me just share this story with you guys before I continue with the video while we wait for others to join us. Something happened when I went to Poland last week. Normally, when you get to Poland from Germany, Germany and Poland shared a border, okay? And because of the C19, you need a valid C19 test before they can allow you to enter Poland from Germany. Yes, Magic, I live in Germany. So when I got to Poland, the police stopped me and they were like, I have to present my valid test that I made like at least maximum past 72 hours, okay? So when I got to Poland, I started to speak Polish with the police. Men, they were really in shock, okay? They were like, no way an African guy speaks Polish. So luckily, because I understood Polish language, because I spoke the language with them, they let me in without providing or showing them my valid C19 test. So what's going on, everyone? What's up, Randy? We are just trying to wait. I want to wait a little bit to see if we can have at least 20 viewers so I can share the beautiful news that I have to share with you guys. I just want to wait a little bit. If we cannot get 20 concurrent viewers, then I cannot continue, okay? I can't continue. I would rather make a video about it and share it with you guys later. So let's just keep waiting a little bit. So I entered Poland. I cannot work for Bionano Genomics right now. Maybe later, who knows? Maybe. But right now, I cannot work for Bngo. I don't think they have enough money to pay me. I have a good job right now, okay? So as much as I enjoy the company, I don't think they can afford to pay me right now. So maybe later, who knows? So we're just gonna wait a little bit more, and I mean, I have to wait and see how many viewers we can get. This is my first time of going live in the past 8 days or so. So I want to wait and see how many viewers we can. So let me continue the story while we wait for others to join us. I didn't present my C19 test because I speak Polish language with the policemen, and they were amazed, okay, that an African guy speaks Polish language, because in Europe, Polish language is one of the most difficult languages right here in Europe, okay? So that's why I got into Poland, and I didn't, show them my C19 test, and I didn't get to, pay like 25 euros. Normally, you have to pay 25 euros at the border before they can let you in. You pay 25 euros, you make, they charge you 25 euros to make this C19 test to know you are not positive. Then they can let you go into this country. So, luckily, because I speak Polish, I didn't. What's going on, everyone? So, we have 17 concurrent viewers right now. What's up, Mel Brown? Welcome, everybody. Welcome on board. So, I have an amazing news I would like to share with you guys in this video, okay? I mean, this is live stream, so I haven't gone through all this article already, and I haven't read anything about it. I just want to go live and try to provide you guys as much information as possible about what just happened I think this happened yesterday, but I just saw the news right now, okay? So first of all, we have a new institutional investor that filed 13F today, okay? And you guys can see, I think this is ETF, this iShares called S&P Total US Stock Market ETF. So another thing is, we have institutional investors that are putting money into Bionano Genomics right now, but I think now we are seeing some ETF funds coming into Bionano Genomics, okay? I mean, just a second, guys. So if you go here, you can see from yesterday we have I think yesterday I saw another index fund that bought shares of Bionano Genomics and filed NP yesterday. So this NP, okay, this is not 13F, this is NP. This NP is filed also today. I need to, oh my god, I completely forgot about my screen. I need to reduce this so that you guys can see what I am trying to show you. Okay, so this institutional investment fund, iShare Core or whatever, I don't have full details about this fund right here. They just bought 164,509 shares of Bionano Genomics, and they just filed their NP. Okay, I believe this is from the first quarter of 2021. This is not what they just did today, but this is new filing from this fund. Okay, so the good news is, we have a lot of institutional investors jumping on board Bionano Genomics. You guys can see this is the first time they are filing. No, okay, they made the purchases on the 31st of March 2021. We have a lot of institutional investors that made purchase on 31st of March 2021. A lot of them went crazy on that day. I mean, I don't really understand why 31st of March, but it is really it is strange. Okay, so this one right here bought 164,509 shares of Bionano Genomics, but that is not why I bring you guys here. I am just trying to show you guys what just happened. Okay, so I want to show you guys something else that is very interesting. Okay, take a look at this, guys. Right now, yesterday when I made my video, we had about 135 institutional owners and shareholders that have filed 13DG or 13F about Bionano Genomics investment. You guys can see now we have 136 institutional owners of Bionano Genomics. So they are going crazy about Bngo. And one thing I want to let you guys know in this live stream also is that I believe FOMO, fear of missing out, is coming to Bionano Genomics, guys. Fear of missing out. we are going to see FOMO. Immediately we break that 6.5 US dollars, immediately we get to that 7 US dollars level, FOMO is going to come, and institutional investors, retail traders, retail investors, they will start to pile on Bngo. I mean, now the share price right now is still below 7 US dollars. Okay, once we break that 6.5 US dollars, we get to that 7 US dollars level, there will be FOMO. So if you guys are following me on this channel, if you are subscribed, we talk about Bngo every day. And so let's talk about what the chief financial officer, where is he? I need to pull up this sec file. Okay, so this is a sec file that I just noticed today. It was filed yesterday, period ending in you guys can see May 26 2021. Okay, it was submitted. Okay, it was submitted today. Few hours ago it was submitted. I was wondering because I came to this website yesterday and I didn't see this form, so it was submitted today. Okay, and this is about the form 4 Bionano Genomics, including statement of changes in beneficial ownership of securities. Okay, so we have Christopher Stewart. Okay, Christopher Stewart P. He is the chief financial officer of Bionano Genomics. This gentleman right here, I mean, he is amazing. You guys saw what happened during the first quarter of 2020 earnings. Okay, he did an amazing job. Okay, I mean, I am super glad we have somebody like Christopher Stewart to be our chief financial officer. You guys can see what they brought in total revenue in the first quarter of this year, and how much they are not spending. I mean, this guy is managing our money very well. Okay, and of course there was also this at the market offering where Bionano Genomics raised about 40 million US dollars in the first quarter of this year. So the chief financial officer is doing an amazing job. And anytime you guys see that insider are investing, they are buying shares of a company, it gives we investor strong confidence in this company. So this right here is a solid bullish news. Okay, this means now we have more insider ownership of Bionano Genomics. Okay, and every day, just like in the previous video that I shared like 1 hour ago, we saw about 20 million US dollars worth of Bngo shares bought today alone, about 2 hours ago. If you haven't seen that video, feel free to go to my channel. You can find it there. Every day, institutional investors are going crazy on Bionano Genomics. Okay, so let me share with you guys the second form. So the last time we saw this kind of filing was from Dr. Eric Omlin, the chief executive officer of Bionano Genomics. You guys can see right here, he was granted 580,000 units of common stock, of Bionano Genomics, and increasing direct ownership by 11,173%. That is crazy, guys. So Dr. Eric Homlin, he has the, I think he is the second highest insider shareholder of Bionano Genomics. I can't really find that document right now. Okay, but let's take a look at what Christopher Stewart. Okay, the filing from Christopher Stewart, according to the title of this video, Christopher Stewart P exercised 25,000 units of common stock at a strike of 0.56. Of course, this is more or less a back date or whatever it is, increasing direct ownership by 312% to 33,000 units. Okay, 33,000 units. That is absolutely insane. We saw from few weeks ago, I think it was 2 months ago, we saw also the chief okay, this is it, Dr. Alka Shaube, the chief medical officer of Bionano Genomics. She also filed. I can't really pull up all these documents right now because we are live. I am trying my best, but I can't find those documents. So the good news is, we have insider investors, insider Bionano Genomics insiders. They are loading the ship of Bngo. They are exercising, they are exercising the common stock because they were granted some shares. I think the chief medical officer was granted about 270,000 shares, if I can recall correctly. And the chief executive officer, Dr. Eric Holmlin, the CEO, was also granted about 750,000 shares of Bngo, I think, if I can recall correctly, because I of course made video about it. Okay, I can, that video is somewhere in my channel. So they are now exercising, chief medical officer a few weeks ago, she exercised some of our the shares that she was granted, and right now we see the chief financial officer also doing the same thing, which of course is very, very good. The Christopher Stewart used to own about 8,000 shares of Bionano Genomics until now. I believe he has now exercised about 25,000 units of the common on stock. Okay, so that is the amazing news that I wanted to share with you guys in this video. Okay, so before I continue, shout out to Mocha, shout out to everybody. Thanks guys for checking in. You guys know that I always bring you amazing news about Bionano Genomics. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe, and let's take a look at what happened today during the let's take a look at what happened with the price of Bngo today. Okay, because today we rallied about 3.32% today, closing at $6.22 and the volume today was not really huge. Okay, because I remember seeing Bngo volume at around 100 and something thousand, 200 million, 350 million at one point in January, when the stock price was rallying like almost $4 every day. That was absolutely insane. And guys, if you are wondering why we content creators of Bionano Genomics on YouTube, why we are super important to this community, take a look at this. The last time there was a press release news that you can find on Yahoo Finance was 8 days ago. Okay, even though we bring you guys content every day, 8 days ago. I mean, how can you invest in a company and you can't even know what is going on with the stock every day? So that is really something really, really strange. Now, this is what happened today in technical analysis. This is what happened with Bngo today, guys. So we are still at the beginning of this amazing rally. I normally share this with you guys every day, the technical analysis of Bionano Genomics. Check this out. We are just getting started. I mean, the reason why I believe we saw that rally yesterday and the reason why we saw the rally today is because of the super bullish news that happened today. We have a lot of sapphires, a lot of users of sapphires they are now starting to post photos on Twitter. Okay, so a lot of adoption is going on right now, and I believe we are seeing a lot of sales of the sapphire devices, and that's why I believe yesterday we rallied, and today also we started we started red, and then we pushed up to close the day in green. So that's all I have for you guys in this video. I don't think there is more to share with you guys in this video. Institutional ownership has increased, guys. We now have about 136 institutional owners of Bionano Genomics. Okay, these institutions owed a total of 43.2 million shares of Bngo. I believe right now, because this is from the 13F filing, this is what they did in the first quarter of 2021. So in my opinion, right now we have more than 100. I think we have more than, I shouldn't say 100, because if we have 43 million, I believe we have more than 50 million right now. Okay, let me just say 50 million. I don't want to go too crazy. Let me just say 50 million. We have around 50 million right now. And of course, we still have a lot of new institutional investors that, of course, joined this ship in this second quarter that we don't know about. Don't forget, guys, Renaissance Technologies made their filings. They joined Bngo in the first quarter of this year. Okay, and which other huge company? And so Susquehanna International Group also joined in the first quarter of this year, and Citadel Advisor, they are these guys right here. They are just playing both on the sell and the bullish. They are playing the bear and they are playing the bull side. So, and of course, Geode Capital Management LLC, this is almost $1 trillion US fund. Okay, and Geode Capital Management, they also added to their position. Like I told you guys, I believe they will keep adding to their position every quarter. Okay, and I mean, this is amazing news for we Bionano Genomics investor. All you just have to do is, you have to hold on to your shares and keep it close to your heart and try to stay positive. This is just the beginning. I have an amazing thing I am working on right now that I would like to share with you guys, but it is too early. You're gonna love it once I complete it. Okay, so if you are new on this channel, another reason for you to subscribe. What's up, Sharon? What's up, Mocha? What's up, Albert Simpson? Welcome, everybody. What's up, on Lucky Buddha? Hello, Dayo from Texas. What's up, everybody? Welcome on board. So we have a new we have insider trading going on. Insiders of Bngo, they are adding to their shares. Okay, they are exercising the common stock because they were granted all these stocks, so now they are exercising it. And if you go down a little bit, you can find a little bit more information about it. Amount of security beneficial owned following reported 33,000. Okay, 33,000. Chief financial officer Christopher Stewart now sits on about 33,000 shares of Bngo. Let me see if I can find more information to share with you guys in this. There is nothing really much to share about it. So I believe in the coming days we are going to see, the chief medical officer, Dr. Alka, and I believe Mark Odakovsky, the chief operating officer, is also going to be filing. You guys can see here, Mark was granted 240,000 units of common stock, guys. 240,000 units. Amazing. Increasing direct ownership by 1,986%. Okay, I mean 252,000 units of Bionano Genomics common stock. And here you have Dr. Eric Holmlin. He was granted 580,000 units. So all they have to do is to keep exercising. Okay, they need to keep exercising this stock so that we can have more insider buyings of Bngo, because right now it is very little, and most institutional investors, they don't like to invest in companies that has very little insider buying. So just like few minutes ago, I believe MOM, he shared something on stock tweet, and I find I found it very, very funny. Okay, I'm going to share with you guys in a minute. He shared something that I found very, very funny. I want you guys to see what is going on with Pac Bio. Okay, because the reason why I want to share this with you guys is because this video is about insider trading. And while Bionano Genomics insiders are increasing their position, they are exercising their shares. Pac Bio insiders are dumping. Take a look at this. Insider Erickson Williams W report selling 37,500 shares of Pacific Bioscience of California at a total cost of 971,058.30 US dollars. So while Bionano Genomics insiders are piling up, they are increasing their positions in Bngo. Pac Bio insiders are dumping. They are dumping. This reminds me of Simon, okay, because we have Simon, the top analyst, the top genomic analyst from from Ark Genomic, from Ark Invest. He said Pac Bio is going to take over Bionano Genomics in the next 3 to 4 years, okay, because they are working on long read sequencing technology, and he believes they are going to catch up with Bionano Genomics Sapphire. So this right here is very funny. Even Ark Invest have been dumping Pac Bio. Okay, I want to share something. There's something more I want to share with you guys. Let me show you guys what just happened with that reminds me even what just happened with Simon. I mean, he made a tweet, talking about Bionano Genomics. Now that I am live, I believe it's the right time to share all this information with you guys. He made a tweet about Bionano Genomics most recently. Normally, I would make a separate video about this, but since we are here, let's just talk about it, okay? I think it's about 24 hours ago. Just give me a second. I'm going to dig it out. I think it's about 24 hours ago. Okay, he was answering a question. Maybe let me take a look. Let me see if this is from here. No, I know how to find it. I want to share this with you guys. Okay, the The Full Book Podcast. My guys at the Full Book Podcast, they are making very, very nice content also about Bionano Genomics. Just a second, guys. I am going to dig it out. Let's go to the let me see their tweet and replies, because I saw they commented on what Simon was, Simon, where are you? 26th. It's from yesterday, I think. Simon, he is acknowledging that Bionano Genomics is doing amazing job. Okay, Simon is acknowledging that the Sapphire device is performing better than long read sequencing technology. Okay, so I find it very interesting, but oh my god, I didn't say I wanted to make a separate video about this, talking about Simon, but I think it's just better to just wait a little bit and try to see if I can dig it out, okay? Because it's something interesting, and you guys know that Simon represents Ark Invest. Of course, we don't need Ark Invest to put their money in Bngo right now. We are super good, but of course, we cannot say no if they want to invest in Bionano Genomics. I mean, we need every money we can get from every angle, okay? Um, let me see. It's not from here. Why is it impossible for me to find this tweet? Oh my god, this is not good. This is not good, guys. May 26th. Simon was talking about. I need to share this with you guys. I need to share it with you guys, okay? May 20th. This guy has been going crazy since yesterday. Simon has been tweeting a lot since yesterday. Whoa. May 4th. He has been tweeting a lot since yesterday. Okay. Hopefully this is it. Hopefully Pac Bio. Who is this? Okay. This is something interesting that Simon was talking about the sequel. Of course, it's about Pacific Biosciences of California. Extended sequencing provide new exposure, blah blah blah. But this is not the tweet I want to talk about. Okay, not this tweet, not this reply. Oh my god, guys, I am trying to see if I can find it. May 21. It's not this one. Because whatever Simon says, okay, this is good for we Bionano Genomics investor. It would be really nice if we can at least have Ark Invest exposure, because Ark Invest, they have their own connection that we would like to have on board, a lot of publicity and stuff about Bngo. If they invest in Bionano Genomics, we could at least have more exposure to more institutional investors, because a lot of institutional investors are waiting for them to see what they are going to do. All right, guys, I cannot find it. I just have to come back later and see if I can make a video about it and share more information with you guys on it. But wait a minute, 26, this is the possible. No, not this one. All I know is few hours ago the Full Book Podcast was talking about it, and I saw their tweet about it, but unfortunately I cannot find it. Maybe it's this one. Maybe this is blah 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 Bionano Genomics Joe Butler. Not this from this Goody, not from Goody. All right, guys, so I think that is it. That is all I want to share with you guys in this video. There is nothing else to share. We have institutional investors piling up on Bionano Genomics. We have insiders buying Bngo stocks, and I mean, what else do we want as retail investor? What else do we want? Everything is going good for Bionano Genomics right now, okay? Fundamentally, nothing has changed. Only positive things is happening. Only positive changes we are seeing so far, okay? Nothing negative has happened so far. So I think that is all I have for you guys in this video. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment section. If you have any question, okay? If you have any question, let me know. And please, guys, keep supporting your boy, and remember to like this video before you leave. Remember to like this video so that other subscribers or Bngo investors can see what is going on, okay? Because we need to keep spreading this word of Bionano Genomics so that we can have more institutional investors and so on and so forth on board. I mean, this is great. I can't believe I can't find this. this tweet about Simon. Even Joe Butler, the employee of Bionano Genomics, was also talking about February 26th, not this tweet right here. Joe Butler was also there, commenting about what is going on with Bngo, the Full Bull podcast, the Full Bull 19 hours ago. Is it this? Is it this one? Oh, okay, guys. I found it. I found it, guys. I found it. This is amazing. I found it. So, this is the latest news from Ark Invest top genomic analyst Simon Barnett. This guy is covering Ark Genomic Fund. That is what Simon is covering. Is their top analyst, and whatever he says, affects a lot of institutional investors. I mean, positively, negatively. So that's why we need to know what is going on with Ark Invest in terms of Bionano Genomics. So this is what happened, guys. This tweet is from an account I blocked. This guy that was trying to bully me. So this tweet dates back to April 25th, okay? April 25th. And Joe Butler was also somewhere commenting, trying to talk with Simon to let him know what is going on. I have a lot of haters on Twitter, guys. I mean, I don't know why. Look at this guy, for example. You're unable to view this tweet because this account owner limits who can view their tweet. I don't know why all these guys are just blocking me. Annie is one of my followers, and I follow her as well. So, all right. So let's just start from April 26th, April 27th. Let's start from May 26th. So this is what Simon said. He said correct benchmark to SRS, short read sequencing. That's the meaning of SRS. It's not a useful. Benchmarking to SRS is not a useful comparison given its lack of sensitivity for most structural variations. Still, there are ultra-large structural variations currently undetectable to LRS, long read sequencing. I am certain that will change given how small the margin is currently. So the point Simon is trying to make right here is he is certain in the nearest future we are going to see long read sequencing catching up with OGM or whatever it is, okay, because they are betting big on Pacific Bioscience of California to take over Bionano Genomics Sapphire. So I believe that is more or less what this guy was trying to say here, and Simon is he was responding to him. So now this is the most interesting part, okay? He spoke about what he believes is happening with OGM. Take a look at this comment, guys. Regardless, it is all OGM picked the variant up and helped resolve these cases that are normally very difficult to resolve with clarity. If you guys remember clearly, yesterday I made a video about what Sapphire was able to do, okay? Sapphire was able to detect some structural variations in a sick child, and no other technology was able to detect these structural variations, okay? Only Sapphire was able to. They tried long read sequencing. They tried what is it called, long read something else. They tried FSHD. They tried whatever it is you want to call it. Only Sapphire was able to detect these variations, okay? Now that is what Simon was trying to comment on about this breaking news that I shared with you guys in that video. He said regardless, it is awesome that OGM, optical genome mapping, picked the variant up and helped resolve the cases that are normally very difficult to resolve with clarity. Now, this is the comment I saw from the Full Book Podcast, my boys. This is the comment I saw that caught my attention, and I agree with what this man right here said. Whoever typed this among these 3 gentlemen or 4 gentlemen. So he said, and in the world of healthcare, 1% better clarity can result in a 100% better patient outcome, and better patient outcome will always be adopted 100% of the time, regardless of what tech you lean towards. Patient's health comes first. Sapphire provides that plus 1%. 100% of the time. So what this guy is trying to say right here is, Simon is saying, yeah, they are long read sequencing is going to catch up with OGM in the nearest future, and OGM is more or less able to detect like 1%, blah blah blah, according to the comment he made somewhere up here. So that's what the Full Book is trying to tell him, that sometimes this 1% is the most important, okay? 100% of the time, 1% can save life. And if Sapphire device is able to detect, able to perform better 1% better than long read sequencing or all these, Illumina technologies out there, this Nova 60,000 from Illumina or the sequel to from Pac Bio, then that can mean the world, okay? Excuse me, guys. This can mean the world. This can save a lot. It can save a lot of lives, okay? Because if researchers find out what is going on with a sick child, for example, or some kind of rare genetic, what is causing the rare genetic diseases, if they are able to find cures, that is all that matters. I mean, that's why most of us are investing in Bionano Genomics, and that's why I believe most of us are crazy about Bionano Genomics, because cancer is a horrible disease, and I would love, before in my lifetime, I would love to see a cure, at least a therapy, if not a cure, for cancer in my lifetime. That's why I am super crazy, super bullish, and super excited about Bionano Genomics. So Simon, he's trying to acknowledge that OGM picked the variant up and helped to resolve these cases that are normally very difficult to resolve with clarity. So why are they not yet invested in Bionano Genomics? Why are they playing politics trying to support Pacific Biosciences of California instead of them to tell us what is going on, instead of them to tell the world that this technology right here is able to perform better in a lot of cases, in a lot of instances. When you're talking about 500 base pairs and above, when you're talking about long read, that is where Sapphire device is, superior. Instead of them to tell the world that this device is superior in this aspect than this Pac Bio, than this Illumina, than this short read sequencing technologies, devices out there, they are not. They keep messing around, dancing around the bush, beating around the bush, trying to protect their investment in Pacific Biosciences of California. And that is why I stopped responding to Simon on Twitter, okay? Because that's why I just prefer to just follow him and see what he is doing. Because if I start to respond to Simon on Twitter, he is going to block me. Of course, I'm not following him. I just go from time to time to see what is going on what they are doing with Pac Bio or whatever, or what is their opinion, because Simon is a smart guy, okay? I am not going to lie about that. The guy is very smart, but of course they are playing the politics, okay? This is, to them, this more it's more about money than more about saving life or the technology, in my opinion. And I have a big respect for Auntie Cathy. Of course, this is not about Katie Wood, this is about Simon, because she delegates these guys to watch over what is going on in this genomic sector. Just like they have analysts covering the automobile sector, like Tesla, for example. They have analysts covering the cryptocurrency sector, like Bitcoin, for example. And Simon is the lead analyst for Ark Invest, genomics analyst for Ark Invest, in terms of sequencing, molecular diagnostics, bioinformatics, whatever you want to call it, representing Ark Genomic Fund. And whatever he says is what Katie Wood is going to listen to. And this guy right here is causing a lot of chaos, okay? We should have a lot of investors right now, institutional investors right now, invested in Bionano Genomics, if not for this guy. So now he's saying, okay, OGM picked this variant and helped resolve these cases. So why are they not invested in Bngo? It is crazy. I mean, that's all I have for you guys today. So I think that's all. Please subscribe if you are new on this channel. My name is Dayo. This is Frunkla Investment, and I love Bionano Genomics. Thanks you guys for checking in. If you have any question, I'm just gonna wait like 5 minutes to see if you guys have any question for me, so that I can answer them before I end this video. It is longer than I hoped, because I was looking for this comment from Simon. Let me just first of all like this and retweet this, and yeah. So I think that is all. If you have any question, please guys drop it. Let me see what is what else? Yeah, I think that's it, guys. So have a wonderful day, guys. Sorry, my boy Dayo. This is Frunkla Investment. Ciao, ciao.